Okay, so if you're anything like me, you've probably seen a lot of AI generated images going around. Some of them garbage, some of them quite funny, some of them quite good. But in the design world, it's going to be important to learn how to use and create visuals like this and blend them into your design systems and just learn how to use it as a tool. AI generation, image generation is definitely here to stay, and it's only going to get better and better. So there's certain brands out there. I'm sure you've all seen Perplexity. They are leading the way of using AI generated imagery and incorporating into their design systems. So I wanted to take a look and show you how to do something similar in Midjourney. Build a style, get style refs, and apply them to your design systems or however you want to use them. Cover art, freelance jobs, whatever it is. Let's take a look at how I get them. Yeah, sorry about my little dog in the background. She's my little office buddy today. Yeah, let's take a closer look at her. She likes to just sit on that sofa. That's her spot. That's her blanket, and she just doesn't really move for much of the day, to be honest, until walk time in the morning and the evening. Show you how to get repeatable image generation in a certain style, and you can apply that to your brand. So let's jump in. So here we are in Midjourney. If you've never been here before, this is where you land. You just come straight to the explore page, probably to sort of so you can get some inspo, some weird looking stuff there, and some alright looking stuff, I guess. So we're going to jump over into the create tab. I'm going to try and keep this pretty snappy and short. So we'll jump to the create tab and you can see what I mean by creating sort of on-brand visuals that you can use. So this is sort of where I started from. So I'm going to scroll down here. There's some random stuff in there, so don't worry. Yeah, so this is where we started here. So zooming in, you can sort of see. Oh no, sorry, I don't want to use that as a. Um, um, you can see here that I've started. I want you to create me a pack of people surrounding fire this style. So I've taken pictures from OpenAI's promo video. I think it might have been the Super Bowl ad or something. It was quite cool and I like the style. And I wanted to reverse that. And you can just see where I've just been prompting it to get it a little bit more and more to where I want it. It sort of jumps around, comes up to this, so then you need to sort of revert and come back to something. You can see here I was trying to do profile photos. Some of the, I don't know how they've sort of turned me into that. This one looks like Harry Potter, but yeah, this is where you create the sort of brands, and then I tend to come back to like these ones and use them as a style. So I could use like style. You hit this button down here, so that uses the style. So that's the actual style of the image. Like you can use image, but then it's going to try and reference the actual image and recreate the screen person sitting there. And then the prompt, which just copies the prompt they use for that. So we'll hit style, and I'll just put man sitting in. Floating in space. Surrounded by objects. Let's just go really. Okay, I'm going to jump straight to, so here we are. These are the final results. As you can see, they have stuck and they're very on brand to what we wanted. Click in. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not super useful for anything right now, but you can imagine the possibilities of this, being able to create on-brand visuals for whatever it is you need, whether it's like a blog image, a thumbnail, anything. So that's sort of the point of this video. So let's jump into how to sort of start this off. I'm only going to show you how to sort of start it off and then how you can use a style reference and then sort of create your own brand. So I'm going to hit here, this image, and then hit style reference. And then I've uploaded this sort of 3D jelly bear, sort of weird one. And let's create, so I'll just put that, create me a 3D style book in the same style as this reference, see-through, dreamy, and glassy. Okay, here we are. So you can see exactly what I mean. We've got that's a style. That's like a predefined sort of style. This spacey, glassy book, and again, there you go. We've created an instant style that you can then start to replicate and mold and see how it works with different visuals. I'm not going to go through every single one, but I will just show you how to use it. So I really like this one. This one's cool. So again, you find an image, create it, come back to it, and then just hit use style. So we're keeping that style reference. Let's go device floating in grassy. There we go. Okay, here we are again. So again, this is keeping this sort of style. It's really like dreamy. It's actually even keeping like the same like hues and lights and colors that are coming through from that sort of like glass morphism. So yeah, world's your oyster. I'm just going to jump in, show you one more, and then we can wrap this up. And for sure, drop in the comments and let me see what sort of styles you. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you one more example and then leave you to play around with it. Okay, boom, there we go. There's a little run through of Midjourney and how to use it, how to get slightly more on-brand visuals and just start playing with it. I definitely recommend adding learning image generation from AI to your toolkit. You're 100% going to need it at some point, and it's going to get so good that it will be able to produce sort of photo quality images exactly how you want them. So learn it, get to know, like, subscribe if you like the video. Thank you very much.